In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can use the different several commands of Backtrack or Linux in order to upgrade the operating system, so that we must be updated in order to use the latest hacking tools to perform the penetration testing. So now I'm inside the Backtrack and I have opened the command terminal by clicking on this black icon in here. And then after that, what I need to do is I just gonna have to use the command that is main apt get. So what does this command mean? Main is actually used for manual, and apt is actually application package tool. apt get is used to install different kind of packages in our operating system. That is what we need, that is what we mean Backtrack. Or it is also used to update and upgrade the operating system or different packages in that operating system. But if you don't know how to use apt get, you can use the space apt-get in order to get into its manual. I'm just going to press enter, and as you can see that now I'm in the manual, so I can just press the up and down arrow key by getting into different options of the apt-get, and as you can see that you can use apt-get in different options for -o config _ string in different files. You can also provide or get the description, what does any mean. You can also use the update option and as well as the upgrade option. We're going to be using both of them. You can also select and deselect and install. How you can install a package with the help of apt-get by using apt-get space install and then the name of that package you want to install. So now these are the different options. You can explore it in the manual of the apt-get. Now the question is how we can get out of this manual. You can just press the Q button of your keyboard and you can get out of this section. This is very simple and easy to use. By pressing the Q button on the keyboard, you will get out of that manual. Now I'm just going to actually use apt-get and I'm going to use update and press enter, and it will begin to update my operating system completely from the start. As you can see that it has now working on the percentage, and then anything that is actually not updated in my computer will be updated all over the way. So now that it is saying that failed to fetch the old repository Backtrack is because that this is already up to date. You can also use apt-get upgrade in this way, so you can actually use the apt-get upgrade to upgrade to the latest version inside of the Backtrack. So you can use different fusions. You can also use apt-get install and then the package name will be provided in here. So you could use apt-get in order to get a lot of information. The other most important thing is that how you can find out the IP address. So you can use ifconfig. In Windows operating system you're gonna have to use ipconfig, but in Backtrack you're gonna have to use ifconfig. And as you can see that this is our IP address of Backtrack, and this is the broadcasting address, and this is the subnet mask we are using. If you are using the Ethernet wireless card, then you can use iwconfig. But as I don't have any wireless extension or wireless code connected to my computer or Backtrack, so it won't show me. But when we're going to be actually hacking Wi-Fi's, we're going to need extra Wi-Fi code that is actually external USB Wi-Fi device we're going to be using with the Backtrack. If you are using or want to hack wireless devices while running Backtrack in the VMware, you're going to need external Wi-Fi USB. But if you want to hack it and you are not using Backtrack in VMware and you are using Backtrack as a routing operating system without VMware, then you really don't need any external USB device, and it will detect the wireless stuff by itself. But as we are using it inside a VMware, we're going to need another external Wi-Fi device in order to detect the different Wi-Fi's in our area. And we're going to be using that in the upcoming chapters of this course and tutorials.